Hey guys, it's me, Simple Programmer, and welcome back to the Java game programming series. And today we're going to be creating an enemy of our player that follows our player. He's going to be a smart enemy. And I already added him to the sprite sheet, so if I open that up, you'll see we have a bat. And it's going to be a smart bat, the smartest bat of its kind. And I'll include the credit for that in the description down below, because it's not mine. And also, the sprite sheet the download for the sprite sheet will be updated as well, so you can download this. And so, yeah, let's get started. And before you guys are like, oh no, he's gonna torture us by making so many mistakes where the bats are. Don't worry, I noted them down too in a text document. That's fine. So let's get started. So here, objects. We're gonna create a new class. I'm gonna call it bat. And we're gonna make float. We're gonna make a couple floats left side of class. Oh, before that, we need to extend game object. So extend game object and import that. Okay. So we need to make a couple floats. So first, float distance. Float diff x and diff y. The difference in the x and the difference in the y. And we're gonna do that's it. We'll just when we add bullets or something like that, private int HP is equal to 100. We'll just do that. And we need to add the unimplemented methods and the constructor. Why does it always do that? Why does it do the constructor above the things? Okay, there we go. And we're gonna go to our check method. We're gonna, of course, do x plus equal to oh my goodness, velocity x, y plus equal to velocity y. There we go. And we're going to go down here. Still in our check method, we're gonna make a for loop. So for int I is equal to 0. And before we continue at all, let's just go to our run method. We're gonna do g.draw. G.draw. Fill rect. Sorry, fill rect. We're of course replace it with the texture. Moment g.fill rect. Our int x, int y, and our width and our height. And right now, let's just set width and height. Now the width and height of this is of our bats is normally 27 and 22, except this one and this one, which is 31 by 22. So I'm gonna go back to Eclipse. And instead of setting it to 27, I'm going to do width is equal to 31. It's fine. It's only a couple of things off. It's equal to 31. Height is equal to 22. Alright, width and height. There we go. And yeah, let's continue on this second. And we're going to return a new rectangle. We'll of course make the get bounce top, but we'll do that next episode because collision. So, because that takes the whole episode. Int x, int y, our width, and our height. There we go. Okay, so now let's continue this. And can you see where we're going? We need to make a private handler because we're going to use that. Private handler. Control-Shift-O to import handler. And here we're gonna do this dot handler is equal to handler. Let me mention one thing. You always have to have the super at the top. If I do that, I'm gonna get an error because it has to be at the top. Say handler is equal to handler, and there we go. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than handler dot object dot size. I plus plus. We're gonna do game object temp object is equal to handler dot object dot get I, and then we're gonna do if temp object dot get ID if the ID of the temp object is equal to ID of the player. We're gonna do now we're gonna set our diff x, diff y, and distance. We're gonna do different x, diff x is equal to our the bat's player position, so x minus our player's position, so temp object dot get x, and just minus the width, I think, and diff y is equal to x minus temp object, nope, sorry, not x, it's actually y, temp y minus temp object dot get y minus the player's height, Control Shift O, oh sorry, not the player's height, or our height, and we're gonna do distance is equal to float, we're gonna cast it to a float because distance is a float, math dot square root, now this is just a algorithm, square root, and it's gonna do x minus temp object dot get x times x minus temp object dot get x plus y minus temp object dot get y times y minus temp object dot get y, and that's it for the distance. And handler dot object size, what's there? I is less than handler dot object size, and we're getting an error here because parentheses stuff. That is not good. It's supposed to be. Wait, that one is for that one. Okay. Let me just figure this out. X minus 10. Oh, forgot a parenthesis here. See? There we go. That's it. That's good. And now let's go down a bit more out of our for loop. I'm gonna do velocity x is equal to it's just how fast you want it to go, -1 divided by distance times our diff x, and velocity y is equal to -1 divided by distance times diff y. And there we go. So we are rendering in our graphics, okay, but we forgot something. We have to do g.set color. We'll just do color dot, let's see what there is. We'll just do green for now. Let's run our game. That won't do anything because we have to go to paint.net. Level. In our level, we have to actually add some of our bats in. So let's just zoom in a lot. This is actually a huge sprite sheet that I made. Not sprite sheet, sorry, level. And I'll just make some bats. And the color that I'm just going to use is this nice purple color right here. Yeah. There we go. And bat here, bat there. Add a bat here. Oh, that's 2 bats. Okay, that's enough bats. And actually need to see what that color is. So it's 1780255. And one more thing, we're just going to, it won't do any difference, but it'll just signify that falling is equal to false. And there we go, because it's normally true. So now let's go to our game. Let's go down here to our load level. we're gonna do if red is equal to what was it again? Sorry, 178,0255. Red is equal to 178, and green is equal to 0, and blue is equal to, I forgot. Oops, I went Chrome. 255 equal to 255. What? Oh, why did I add that? And blue is equal to 255. We're gonna do handler dot add object new bat xx times 32 yy times 32 id dot bat will make in just a second, and our handler. So let's actually make that. Open implementation, just opens the ID class. Nope, actually opens bat, because that's the ID. There we go. And we're gonna do add a bat. There we go. So let's close that. Control-Shift-O to import bat, and there we go. So now let's run our game. And if everything worked out good, which I hope it did, we should see a green enemy following our player. And come on, where is the game? Sorry, my computer's very slow. Hello? Is it running? It is. There we go. Don't go. That's just Chrome. Come on. There it is. And if we just wait to load in. Come on, computer. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Come on. Challenge, please. 5, 4. There it is. Let's go. None of our bats are added in. For some reason. Why? I don't know. That's because we didn't refresh our level. So let's go here into our res and press refresh. So now let's go here to our game. Let's run it. So now hopefully we should get some bats which follow us. And we still don't get any bats. Now that is more strange. Did I get the color wrong? If red is equal to 178, green 0, 255, 178, 0, 255. No, I didn't. I just didn't save this. So we're gonna do save. Yes. This happens every time. Let's refresh now. And now, if we actually run our game, and if we open this, there we go. We get some bats that follow us. That is good. Perfect. I'm gonna jump over them. Come on. Ooh. Oh yeah, they can go into the blocks. I said that I'd add that next time. And or they can just be ghostly phantoms. I'm just kidding. But anyway, let's make something else. We're gonna make it so that if they're like if they're far away, like this far away, they can't see us and they can't follow us. And that's pretty easy to do. Let's go back to our bat. We're going to do when we set velocity y, x is equal to that, and that. We're gonna do if our why did I add 2 parentheses? If distance is less than 250, you can mess around with this. Let's try 100. Even though I think that's too little. We're gonna do that. Else velocity x is equal to 0. Velocity y is equal to 0. Let's run that. 100, I think they're still going to follow us no matter what. Oh no, that means they just don't follow us barely. Oh, and yeah, by the way, if you're closer to them, they move faster. Let's try increasing this to 200, and we can actually debug this. And wait for it to pop up. There it isn't. There it is. And 200, they follow us from there. They stop. Stop. And as you can see, they just stop in midair. They don't ever move again until you get until you get closer to them. And yeah, I think 200 might be a good distance. Actually, I'm gonna wait. Let me test out this guy. This range. Nope. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's the range there. So I'm thinking 250. Yeah, I think that's good. Now we're gonna try something else right now. We're going to do that. I think we should make it so that the player, the bat, just moves randomly. Even if the player's not close, because that just looks bad, him standing still there. So let's go up here. We're gonna make a couple of things. We're gonna make, I'm pretty sure, let's check. Okay, we're gonna make after here, we're gonna make a private int choose. We're gonna normally set it to 0, and private int timer, we'll just set it to maybe 60. This is how much it will change by every time. And 1 sec. Okay, so let's go down here to our tick method. Also, we're gonna make a private random r is equal to new random. This just generates a random number. Control-Shift-O to import random. Okay, so now let's actually go to our tick method. Right after it, right here, we're gonna do if our timer is less than or equal to 0. We're gonna do choose is equal to random.next int, and let's just try 5 maybe. That means, okay, if it is, and if it's 0, that's the number we're gonna pick, then he's gonna move, and we're gonna set timer back to 60. And down here at the end of the tick method, we actually have to do timer minus minus. So let's go down here, timer minus minus. I mean, that's just gonna minus timer by 1. And right here, else, we're actually not going to do a velocity x equal to 0. We're going to do else. Well, actually we are, but let's just do else if choose is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Then we're, I already did that. And we're going to do, without a computer, I don't like C stuff. We're going to do velocity x is equal to, again, he's going to move randomly and has random speed. Next, well, actually not a random speed, kind of at a random speed. Next int 1 plus 1 minus 1 and minus 1. We need another parenthesis there. And what that basically just does, it just makes it so that the random can be 1, 0, or -1. And we're also going to make another thing, else if choose is equal to 1. Oh, I should not have done that. Okay, there we go. And we're going to do else if choose is equal to 1. Then we're going to do velocity y is equal to r.next int 1 plus 1 minus 1, and of course that happened, minus 1. There we go. And we could just do it if choose equal to 0, but I want it to be that he can only move velocity x or velocity y at one given moment, and that it will make it more likely as well. And what wrong here? Parentheses right here. Okay. So let's go back up here. And actually, yeah, that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah. Now let's run. Let's get out of range of the bat. Oh, there we go. I knew it. Bound must be positive. Illegal argument exception at 54. If choose is equal to 0, velocity x is equal to... Okay, what is wrong there? R dot next. Okay, yeah, I got it. We're supposed to put the R dot next int inside here. There we go. And just do the same thing here with that. Put it here. Okay. Now let's actually run. And we should not get an error this time. And let's just get out of range of him. And every once in a while, he should just move randomly. That's it. Oh, well, that's weird. Okay, that's good. But I think it should be okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set choose is equal to 6, timer to 30 maybe. Try that. Sorry, R dot next int 6. Set timer 30 up here. Okay, now let's run. Okay, now they should move randomly. Okay, that's good. But wait, I feel like there's something wrong. It's only moving up and left. Yeah. There's something wrong there. It's not going positive. 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna give you guys some homework. I said we were gonna do the... Oh, sorry. Let's actually just make collision first. So let's open up a player. You guys will have some homework today. And let's go down here to our collision. We're gonna do if temp object dot, let's get up here, if temp object dot get id is equal to id dot bat. Then we're gonna do if get bounds dot dot intersect our temp object dot get bounds. Then we're gonna do HUD dot set health, HUD dot get health minus. We're only gonna minus it by 1, and sorry, minus 1. And that's because like when we're collision with him, it's gonna loop through this really fast. It loops through the tick method 60 times per second. So we only want to minus by 1. So we only lose 60 health every second if we're colliding with him. And we might even put that down a little if it's too much. So as you can see, we'll lose some health. Oh no, run away! Vroom! Jump. Yeah, I will fix that next episode, but that will be your homework, guys. Your homework is to fix the smart enemy only going to the left and up when the player is not there. So, that's going to be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Next time, we will be adding the bat's textures, and also, yeah, we will be adding the bat textures, and whoa! Color param, oh, yeah. And, yeah, we will fix that next episode as well. We'll fix that it can't go below 0, the health, and that, we'll add the texture to the bat, and we'll make it so the bat can't pass through blocks. Well, actually, yeah, we'll make it so it can't pass through blocks. They're smart bats when they're not too smart. They can't go through blocks. So that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.